Danas, I want to share something with you guys. You see, when you leave your country, you leave Jamaica. Me only know Jamaicans. So when me I talk about Jamaicans. Me can't talk for nobody else. When you leave your country, leave Jamaica and come to this country and make and come to a different country, you don't know where you're coming to. You don't know there's not foundation that's set for you that you come for palavina. No, foundation no set for you where you say your parents are rich or whosoever filed for you. A lot of people come here and don't have papers and they here for 10, 20 years and don't have paper. That is for another video. Let me tell you something. We do not take people for granted. I'm going to share this with you right now. This is personal. My son just leave here. My son was away in the Middle East for 11 months. He left January and come back December. When him leave, him wife was pregnant. The baby born from May and now at December. And my son just a meet him daughter for the first time. And I'm saying this to say that somebody have to do the job that they are doing. You know what I mean? When you leave your country and come to a different country, you don't know what your vision are. When me just come here, my kids them come 1 year after me. It never easy. But me I gonna talk to now a little bit about me eventually. Just give me time. But him decide say I go to college to do physical therapy. That was him vision. When he come here, that was what him say he wanted to do. Him start. He decide say him go stop and go in the army. Cause what him was doing wasn't working for him. I mean, not school, but for achieve otherwise. Him say him want to go into the army. I thought he was gonna go in. I was shocked. Because this little boy that I raised with him 3 sisters, I would never dream of him going into the army. Anyways, when him tell me, I feel like my stomach will drop out. Him go to the training, him do whatever. I think this year I gonna make 4 years now him in there. Go to the training, train at Georgia, come back, blah blah blah, him working. But when him decided to go, when they decided to go overseas, when they deployed, I'm telling you, there's the nerves in my body. No good again the way I always worry and think about him. Things happen over there. And when him show me a little point and him say, Mommy, we must be grateful for what we have. There are people over where him go, literally pass away because they don't have food. You hear me tell you? They don't have food. They pass. So much when him sit down and him reason with me and him say, people are going through things and we are here with things and so ungrateful with it. Me just have said this, the sacrifice that you made sometimes for your life and your family, people not to sit down one side and grudge you for it. People not to sit on one side and badmouth you for it. When you push and delivered, allow people to be happy. Allow people to enjoy what they sow. Okay? Let them reap what they sow. So I'm just saying this to you. When somebody give you a $50, don't complain about it. Don't complain that somebody give you $50. It's hard work. Him said sometimes 3-4 hours him get sleep a day in a 24 hour. That no good. Your brain need to go to sleep. You need to get rest so you can function. And you might not feel it now. So to the people that were in the US here, we are work 16 hours a day, sometimes drive 1 hour for go to work. And you work double shift, 2 8-hour shift, 16 hours. Tomorrow you have to double again because guess what? You don't have no man to give you nothing. And I want somebody live and a little home health aid work they have, or a little restaurant job, and they rent for $2,000, and them have to work the whole month to pay that. It not easy. It not easy. So when somebody give you a $50, bless it and give God thanks. Because you never give them nothing to put on. I have listened to so many people said, oh, I don't want a $50 from people. Nobody not send no $50, come give me, can't do nothing. I could have even one bread. How much people God feed with that bread? I could have even one bread you can't buy. Give thanks for it. Because you never give them nothing to put on. Sometimes, at the last they have can give you, and they must struggle to pay a bus here for go back and work. Me now ask you, me I tell you. Sometimes they make sacrifice to give you that $50. Because they not have it easy. But they know say when it come at $7,500. So you can buy something. So when you are going to say you don't want a $50, you never give nobody nothing to put on. You never give nobody. But at that me come for share with you. I feel so. My son just leave a while ago. Him just come last night. And the first me see him today, him spend a day here. And me just chill with me and my two granddaughter and him wife. And let me tell you something. It's not easy. When I look, it almost make tears come on my eye. It remind me when me did that Jamaica and I get the opportunity to go to Canada. And them was like 1, like 2, 3, and 5. And me say no, I not do it. And for watch him leave with him baby where I never even one yet. And the other one in her belly. And now she had 8 months in come back. The two little girls grew up on each other and you know get that bonding time. When the first one born, him staying at the hospital for the 3 days with him wife, him don't even come home, come bathe. When the first one born, him stay there with her and help deliver the baby. Yeah, and me have to carry food and toothbrush and something go give him at the hospital because him used to the soldier life. Him stay there and him never even left. Him wait till the baby born, he stay there with him wife until then discharge her. And for watch him now leave and wasn't here for the second one and come see her for 8 months. Me I tell you, it make me emotional. So when appreciate people, man, appreciate them for what they do. Cause you not give them nothing. Life is not easy. It's not easy. And when you dip online, of course people when they go no something. Come on. People send things come you know, when you do video and you post it and you curse them. When you curse them. Anyways, enough of that. Later, Madanas. Like the video. Madanas, please hit the like button. It will be greatly appreciated. And as me say, I was feeling emotional. You see my eyes them? Because me know the kind of person my son is. And it's a big sacrifice that he make. When this boy tell me say I'm going to the force, I was shocked. But me say, me shocked. Because he grew up saying he want to be pastor, doctor, and he want to go fly airplane. That was the last thing I expect him to do. And then he just wake up one morning and say, Mommy, you know, some feel like if you join the army. Him put school on pause. Put him school in pause. And decide for going in the army. So, to God be the glory, and I give God thanks for bringing him back in a one piece. But it's not easy. The things them where they go through mentally and where they see, not easy. The attack, them something there, To survive certain things, it's not easy. But me have to pray and give God thanks. Blessings.